so high. Feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds the flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now. The stars are down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop where the sky just ends. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight.
Well, welcome to the show. I am your host, Daniel. Again, I would like to welcome all the new subscribers to this channel. Welcome, and welcome to my platform. Welcome to my channel, and welcome to my family. So today is Judge Sean Perkins. Now, I could get into a bunch of details. Let's just get through Judge Perkins. And I really don't know what to say. It took me 14 months to get 162 subscribers, 26,000 watch time hours, or not 26,000 watch time hours, 26,000 views, and 2,000 watch time hours. And people just want to tear this channel down because that body cam footage, that wasn't a bot hit, that was a human hit. That's understandable. I don't think California gets them as bad as we do. This is Dixie Alley. But what I was saying was that that body cam footage, somebody reported it. So, if you got these big balls, okay? If you're attacking a channel that hasn't said shit about anybody, and even if I did say something about the two fleas, okay, that's my opinion. That's my right. That's also my right to freedom of speech. If you don't like it, you don't have to watch this channel. I don't watch any of them. You know what? I don't watch any of them. So why are you coming on here and messing with my channel? 14 months it took me to get this far. I don't know what happened to Trin. I still think about that every day. If she got pissed off because if she got pissed off because this channel kept being attacked, I don't blame her for leaving. You know, I think I need to get this out in the open before we do anything. I mean, we have all the time in the world. This is YouTube. We have all the time in the damn world, and you know that we are also on Rumble too. So this is also being broadcast over Rumble. Exactly, they are fucktards. I agree with that. And nobody says shit about you or your channels, but yet you have to go on the attack of my channel. All I'm trying to do is have a little education about the court system. I'll tell you what, if this is going to keep being the same bullshit over and over and over again, I'll walk away from it. If that's what you want, I'll give it and I'll walk away from YouTube. I am not going to keep doing this every day. Nobody comes in here. Nobody wants to be a part of this channel. Nobody wants to come in here and chat, except for one of my best mod. Now she's one of my best moderators. Because people have started shit about this channel and gave this channel a bad name. And I didn't say shit for a long time after that. I might have brought it up when every time the channel got attacked. Think about what you're doing. Why you must be a mental moron. You gotta try and emotionally hurt a channel host and their channel. Well, I hope people watch. But what I'm saying is, why do you have to come onto other people's platform and hurt them? Look, those body cam footage, this court coverage is public information. It has nothing to do with you or your fucking channel. Whoever is doing this, it has nothing to do with you or your channel. Okay? Court stuff. The courts, scanner feed, body cam footage, and the court stuff is all public information. The scanner feed has nothing to do with anything. It's just a law. I bring it to you for the law enforcement side. Same thing with the body cam footage, the law enforcement side. But yet, they don't strike the. If you want to try and strike the scanner feed, go ahead. I don't think you'll get very far with it. I'm sorry, I'm just a little bit pissed off about that. And you know, I have a lot of now this actually happened, okay? And we're gonna get into Judge Perkins in a little bit. But now I was at Squid, I was subscribed to Squid, and certain people from a certain channel attacked me in the chat, and nobody did anything about it. Same thing with Megan and Tug. Those same people attacked me one night in Megan and Tug's chat. But you know what? I can't strike that. What can I strike that for? Look, if you can't come on here and be peaceful and enjoy the content that I'm putting on this channel, don't come here anymore. Stop attacking my channel. If you want me to walk away from YouTube, I'll walk away from YouTube. I really don't give a rat's ass anymore. I'm not gonna keep doing this if you're gonna keep attacking my channel. And nobody said anything. Everything I've been doing is just normal business, normal what I do on a channel. I've been busting my ass for 14 months to figure out what I wanted to do. And when I finally figure out what I want to do, you start attacking my channel again. No, they don't pay attention to I try to pay attention to you guys. I really do try to pay attention to you guys. I give them what they want. Because I'm tired of it, Linda. If I did do that, I'm tired of this. I get tired of it. I come on here every day, busting my ass, trying to organize everything that you have something to watch, something that you can listen to, something that you can learn from. And then people are going to try to take it down. I'm putting in 110% of the effort into this channel, and they want to tear it down. I don't think that's fair to me. It's not fair to you. It's not fair to anybody else that watches the content on this channel. Hey, if you got anger issues, my suggestion to you is go in the bathroom and rub one out. Don't bring your hatred and your attacks on this channel. But okay, let's get started with Judge Perkins. Let me see. So let's share screen. Judge Perkins. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm glad you're here with me. Let's get started. Wait a minute. With these two notifications. Okay.
Tierra.
Good morning, Your Honor. I've just spoken to Ms. Gutierrez. We are ready to ask for a bench trial date, please.
Very well.
Thank you.
Mr. Wilson, Officer Wilson, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
All right, I'm about to start letting people in.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, it's on you. All rise. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering or do-rag or any of the type on right now that does not represent religious purpose, please remove it at this time. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, drinking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge. Good morning. All right, good morning, everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. We do have everyone checked in. Let's get going. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Madam Interpreter, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Sarah Asmar, Michigan Court, Arabic interpreter.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Arabic and Arabic to English?
Yes.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Moyad Nazar Ghali. Case numbers SP 1866827 counts 1 and counts 2 and Z8 100321. Appearance for the record, please.
I have to wait for the interpreter to say what you
Madam
interpret. What you
Interpreter,
said.
you interpret and
Yes. إذا ننادي القضية المرقمة SP 1866827 مدينة ديترويت ضد السيد مؤيد ناصر غالي. كذلك في عندنا قضية أخرى لرقمها زي 28100321. أرجو التعريف بالحضور.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
إذا أنا المحامي آلان ساروكي، رقم المحاماة مالتي والرخصة كذا، وأنا أمثل المتهم في هذه القضية.
all right, Mr. Ghali, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
سيد غالي صباح الخير، أرجو ذكر اسمك الكامل. سيد غالي.
You have to unmute yourself by pressing *6.
ادعس على الزر اللي هو ستار ورقم 6 حتى ينفتح الميكروفون.
Can you help him out there? Yes, sir. Please. That's *6.
Yes,
Mr. Ghali, can you state your name for the record, please?
سيد غالي لأغراض السجلات أرجو ذكر اسمك الكامل.
مؤيد ناصر غالي.
مؤيد ناصر غالي.
All right, today is the date and time we're set for a pretrial on the first two cases, and we're gonna arraign them on the Z ticket.
إذا هذا اليوم والتاريخ هو المحدد لجلسة اجتماع تمهيدية للتهمتين الاثنين، ورح نبدي نقول لك شنو هي التهم ضدك قراءتها.
For purposes of arraignment, Mr. Soroki.
Defendant waives the formal reading and stands mute at this time, Your Honor.
إذا موكلي يلتزم الصمت في هذه القضية، وإحنا نسقط إمكانية قراءة الاتهامات الرسمية.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client on the Z ticket a $500 personal bond.
إذا أنا راح أدخل إقرار بعدم الذنب بالنيابة عن المتهم، وبالنسبة للقضية المرقمة زي راح أنطي له $500 كفالة شخصية.
I'm going to require your client to test 1 time per week, no drinking, and no leaving the state without the court's permission.
إذا راح أأمر أنه الموكل حقك يسوي فحص مرة في الأسبوع، وما يصير يغادر الولاية بدون موافقة من المحكمة، وممنوع يشرب أي نوع من أنواع المشروبات.
I need to know if this is the best phone number for your client to be reached.
Your Honor,
أريد أعرف الرقم الهاتف الصحيح لموكلك حتى إذا نريد نتصل فيه.
I could give you the last 4 digits if you want me to say that on the record here of his phone number.
أحب أعطيك آخر 4 أرقام من رقمه لأنه نريدها نكون بشكل عام.
Please.
8508.
8508.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Galley, I'm going to have you testing 1 time per week. I expect those tests to be negative.
إذا سيد غالي راح أأمر إنه يتم فحصك مرة واحدة في الأسبوع، وأتوقع هذا الفحص يكون سلبي.
If there is a positive test, if there's a missed test or a diluted test, then we're going to up the ante on the bond.
إذا لو إجا الفحص مخفف أو إجا الفحص بشكل إيجابي أو أنت ما سويت الفحص كما هو موجود في الأمر، فهذا معناها أنه أنت خرقت الكفالة.
What do you need for probation?
He needs to start testing. Can we? Or just wait?
I think we should just follow. I send a referral in there.
All right, so you're going to expect a call from probation. If today is Monday, I expect a test every week, including this week. If we find that you haven't heard from probation and it's getting later in the week, I need you to get in contact with the court. You understand?
إذا اتوقع يجي لك تليفون من دائرة المراقبة بالمحكمة، لازم تفحص مرة في الأسبوع ومن ضمنها هذا الأسبوع. إذا ما استلمت مكالمة في نهاية هذا الأسبوع لازم تتصل بالمحكمة. واضح؟
بس أنا وين أفحص؟
So where is the place for testing?
They'll give you all that information when they call.
هو من راح يتصلون فيك راح يعطوا لك كل هذه المعلومات.
أوكي، يعني من يعطوني إياها اليوم أو بالاتصال؟
Will they give it to me today or when they call me?
They're going to give it to you when they call you. If you have any trouble and if you don't hear from them, you can get back in touch with the court or get in touch with your attorney.
هم راح يعطوا لك هذه التفاصيل بالمكالمة. أما إذا ما استلمت المكالمة فلازم تستفسر من المحكمة أو مع المحامي حقك.
بس شيء مهم إنه أنا بالشغل ما أقدر أجاوب، بس عندي فرايداي أوف الويكند يعني.
I cannot pick up my phone while I am at work. I am off on Friday only.
Well, you're gonna have to make some adjustments, sir. It's not an option.
هذا مو اختيار، لازم نسوي بعض التعديلات على جدولك.
يعني بالشغل أنا ما أقدر أسمع أنا على المشين، يعني ممنوع التليفون.
I am a machine operator and I cannot pick up my phone while at work.
I'm not going to debate it with you, sir. It's just not an option. If you miss the test, we're going to go up on the bond, and that's all the way up to incarceration. We can force you to take the test. All right.
أنا ما راح أتناقش وياك بهذا الموضوع لأنه هذا ليس اختيار، ومن مسؤوليتك أنه تسوي هذا الفحص، وإذا ما سويته كما هو الأمر معناها أنت خرقت الكفالة فالعقوبة تكون في السجن.
ممكن يبعثوا لي المعلومات على الإيميل، يعني على البريد حتى أنا أروح مثلا أفحص.
Can I receive that information in the mail?
I'm going to put you in a breakout room with your attorney, sir, and you can ask the questions to your attorney. He can answer them for you, okay?
رح أخليك في غرفة المداولة مع محاميك وممكن تناقش هذه الأشياء معاه.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
He's in there. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Michael LaFell. Case numbers SP 1299149, counts 1, 2, and 3, 18437064, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1007047, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1098505, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1124484, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1197081, 1, SP 1267901, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1272082, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1297961, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1319611, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1319624, 1, SP 1340682, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 147095551, SP 160888752, SP 1659997, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1689656, SP 1765283, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 181885551, SP 1827971, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1834731, SP 1854072, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1854781, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1879393, counts 1, SP 1879395, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 17, strike that, SP 716077, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 791158, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 973421, counts 1, 2, and 3, 17393806, counts 1 and counts 2, 18437261, 22745851, counts 1 and counts 2, in the state of Michigan versus Michael LaFell, case number SX 24231151. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr.
Michael Phillips LaFar.
LaFar. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
There are 4 matters on
what-
the docket, Your Honor.
Pardon me?
There are only
Well,
4
it's all
matters
over
on
there.
the
He's
docket.
all over the docket. He's all over the docket. 1, 2, 4. That's on the rain. That's on arraignment. It's not funny.
Oh, there it is. There it is. I see. I see now. All right.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43.
65, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Now listen. If you keep missing court, we're going to make sure that you don't miss again. You understand that? You don't see what it requires just by entering into all these things into the computer by you missing court and not taking care of your stuff. So we're not gonna keep going round and round with this, all right, Mr. LaFell?
Yes, sir.
You understand what that means? I don't have to explain that to you, do I?
No, you don't. That's why I'm here now, trying to clean it up.
Well, you were here before trying to clean it up and you missed dates. So if you miss again, we're gonna have a problem. You're gonna have a problem, okay?
Yes, sir.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, I'm putting Mr. LaFell in the breakout room. Mr. LaFell, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter.
That's for.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Kimberly Vaughn Garza, case number SP 187-56221. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May I please this honorable court, Cherika Harris, P 72832, on behalf of Ms. Garza. Ms. Garza, please state your name for the record.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Garza. The day, date, and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. For purposes of arraignment, counselor?
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Garza, your offer is pretty simple. It's gonna be a pleading as charged. This is one of the cases where you can not do any worse. You can only do better, or it'll stay the same. Ms. Harris will explain it to you. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Your Honor, may I have co-host, please?
I thought I gave it to you. But
You
if
gave it to
I
the other Ms. Harris.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Sorry about that. All right. We'll pass the matter. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Counselor Thompson, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Who's your client?
Mosa Ganem.
Mosa Ganem. That's a formal hearing. Anyone here on Mosa, any of the officers here or trooper here on Mosa Ganem? All right, the way it works here, counselor, is if we'll give the officer or trooper a half-hour grace period from, that grace period is up right now, actually. Because this is a civil infraction. Let's call it City of Detroit versus Mosa Ganem, case number SP 189-06471. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kenneth Thompson appearing on behalf of Mosa Ganem. Your Honor, today's date and time set for formal hearing. This matter was set for 8:30 this morning. I would respectfully make a motion to dismiss this matter. It appears to be 9:03 a.m. and it does not appear the officer is present.
Yeah, the officer did check in. The officer did check in. He sent me a note and has gone to the other courtroom. Mr. Thompson, I'm going to put you in breakout room 4. You'll wait on the city attorney there, see if you can work it out. And if you can't work it out, then we'll have the hearing.
Very good. Thank you, Your Honor. Yep.
Mr. Boffman, are you ready on Gutierrez?
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning again, and yes, please.
Ms. Gutierrez, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you. Give me the correct pronunciation name, please.
Anaja Gutierrez.
Naja, okay. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Anaja Gutierrez. Case number is SP 1739771, SP 1865803, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court. Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Ma'am, give us your full, complete name.
Anaja Gutierrez.
Ms. Gutierrez, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I think we let you know that you owe the $288. You owe a few other civil infractions as well, but the $288 is affecting your ability to driver's license.
Please
At
mute
least
your devices.
All right. I appreciate the clarification.
Ms. Gutierrez, you have a lot of background noise going on.
Um,
All right, so that is affecting your ability to get at least a clearance. But I'll give you a trial date of June the 2nd. June the 2nd.
okay. I wasn't because you were breaking in, so what is that money taking effect on moving forward?
That money will get you a clearance here. You can potentially bring a valid driver's license if you paid that $288. You owe $108 on an improper lane use and a $204 on a speeding ticket, but you owe $288 on this no insurance proof. That's affecting your ability to get a clearance here at the 36th District Court. You pay that $288, you could potentially set yourself up to get a valid driver's license. I'm going to give you a trial date on June the 2nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Gutierrez, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good one.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Nelson. I'm just checking in on Griffin.
Yeah, I got you, Officer Nelson. Good morning to you.
I also have to check into Judge Williams' courtroom.
Very well. You're checked in. Mr. Dupree, good morning to you. Who's your client?
Good morning, Judge. I've got two up today, a Candace Griffin and a Shyla Godfrey.
Neither one I don't think I've seen yet.
I will try to get a hold of them then. Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ghali. Mr. Ghali, I've given you an opportunity, sir, to speak to Mr. Soroki. Do you understand what's going on now?
سيد غالي رح نفتح مالتك مجددا. أنا خليتك بغرفة المداولات مع محاميك السيد صاروخي. هسه أنت فهمت مسؤولياتك شنو؟ Mr. Ghali, سيد غالي.
He has to press *6 probably to unmute himself again.
مرسل لازم تدوس على نجمة ورقم 6 حتى يفتح الميكروفون.
What's the ticket number?
Go help him out, please. Oh, he's got it. He's got it.
Yes, فتح هسه. Did you hear me, Mr. Ghali, or should I repeat? افتهمتني لو أعيد.
ايه بس شغله مهمه بس اريد يعني شلون افحص والموعد مثلا الاتصال حتى اخذ عطله من الشغل بس هذا بس بدي اذا في مجال موعد محدد حتى اخذ عطله وانتظر على التليفون واعرف وين اروح افحص.
If it's possible, I can get the date and time of the phone call so I can take some time off work.
It doesn't work like that, sir. It's random. You're gonna have to make some arrangements with your work because it's random. The rules don't just change for you because you have to work.
هذه الأمور ما تصير لأنه أكو قوانين لازم الكل يعني يسوي بيها. ما يصير إحنا نغير القوانين على مودك، أنت لازم تغير الأوضاع في الشغل مالتك حتى تقدر تستلم المكالمة وتفتهم كل التفاصيل من المتصل.
اوكي بس
Did you say anything Mr. غالي؟ قلت شيء؟
ممكن يكون مترجم مع يعني وفور مترجم
Is it possible to have an interpreter during that phone call?
I didn't have that.
أخذ ملاحظة بي.
I didn't hear you, Madam Interpreter.
Is it possible to have an interpreter during that phone call?
I don't know. I don't know.
ما عندي علم بالموضوع.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, your next court date is going to be May the 28th, 2026 at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Can we have a different day than, let's see, May 28th, like a week after that? So that'll be this. He's going to have to be in person, I think, to resolve this. Unless if you want to do another Zoom call with him. Zoom is fine with me. It's all right. We'll do it by Zoom. May 28th.
He's here in person.
I know that. I know that. I could.
All right. Let Madam Interpreter has the interpret.
Okay.
إذا الموعد القادم واللي لازم تكون بيه موجود هو 28/5/2026 الساعة 8:30 صباحا. واضح؟
اوكي بالمحكمة الجعل محكمة ما هيك؟
اي نعم الموعد القادم 28/5 هذه السنة الساعة 8:30 صباحا.
اوكي.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you and Madam Interpreter. Thank you.
So this will be May 28th by Zoom. Is that correct? Okay, I'll be by Zoom. He can be in person. That's fine. Thank you.
إذا المحاكم يتمنى لك الموفقية ونجي كلنا هنا بهذا اليوم الجديد. شكرا.
شكرا جزيلا.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Margaret Deborah Ann Grant. Case number SP 168-17581. Mr. Soroki, appearance for the record, please. Can we get a driver's license?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alice Roki, P37441, appearing to be at the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Margaret Deborah Ann Grant.
Good morning to you, Ms. Grant. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. For the purposes of arraignment, Mr. Soroki.
Defendant waives formal reading, stands mute at this time as to all charges.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Is it valid?
Yes.
All right. At this time, Ms. Grant, I'm going to dismiss your case. You have a valid driver's license. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. Excuse me, I have a question. How can I get paper that it says dismissed? Just call 36th District?
You can go on the website and you can print it out yourself. You'll just put your name in or the case number in. You'll see where you can find that.
Okay, thank you.
You can always come down and they should be able to give you a copy as well. If there's nothing further, Ms. Grant, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You too.
Oh, there was. You're welcome. Thank you. This is Miss Laws. Miss Laws, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Give me the correct pronunciation of your first name, please.
Asia Laws. Asia Laws.
All right. All right. Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Asia Sierra Laws. Case number SP 126-37881. SP 138-9007, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 138-92443. SP 1399332 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 14358811. SP 168985551. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Asia Laws.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Laws. Today is the date set for a pretrial. I gave you an opportunity to pay the reinstatement fees up front. Those haven't been done. Mr. Soroki, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Laws. Keep Ms. Laws, Mr. Soroki's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? When you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Pass the matter.
Your Honor, can you call Monique Love very quickly? She's just requesting another pretrial date or final pretrial. Actually, no, we're requesting a trial on that, a bench trial. Sorry.
The City of Detroit versus Monique Love, case number SP 174-14801. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Monique Love.
Good morning to you, Ms. Love. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to set a trial date for June the 2nd trial at 9.
I'm traveling that day, Your Honor. I'm flying back to Michigan. Let's see, I think it's June 2nd. No, actually, June 2nd is fine. It's June 3rd. Thank you.
All right, 9 a.m., Miss Love. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, join
Have a good
breakout
day,
room
man.
5 and speak with Ms. Laws, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. LaFell. Mr. LaFell, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. LaFell? Where is it?
Yes, sir.
All right, trial date is going to be June the 2nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. LaFell, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
June 2nd, 9 o'clock.
Don't miss it, sir. Michael Long. Is Michael Long here? Michael Long?
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir. Do you have a middle name?
Yes, I do.
And what is that?
Tyrese.
This is the City of Detroit versus Michael Tyrese Long, case number SP 185-76211. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Long.
Michael Tyrese Long.
All right. You're not supposed to be here until next week. I mean, yeah, the 11th. The 11th, Mr. Long.
So the guy I just talked to said come on a 4th.
Who did you just speak to?
The lawyer that was just on.
I know Mr. Boffman, maybe. Do you have the lawyer's name?
The guy that just came in with us, he told me to come in on the 4th.
Where's the file? Long. Do we know? Yeah, we don't have it. We don't have it because it's not here. I don't know what lawyer you're speaking of. Did we get you an attorney? Did we assign you an attorney?
No, he just said come back on the 4th because this was supposed to be my trial date.
No, I don't have trial date either. Next week, let's see. Let's make sure you have an appointed attorney. I have a pretrial of next week, reckless driving.
He came in at 1:30.
1:30 when?
This is Michael Tyrese Long.
Yes.
He came in on 423 at 1:30 instead of pretrial.
Today.
5:11.
5:11. Let's get him an appointed attorney now. Well, not on the spot, but we're gonna get one. I'm gonna get your information because you're probably gonna need it unless you're gonna hire your own attorney. I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. Is that all right, Mr. Long?
Okay.
All right. This attorney is gonna be particular to you. Give me a good phone number.
31. Hold on 1 second, please. I just got this phone. 1 second.
Thank you. All right, put the number in the chat. I'm gonna send you
Okay, yeah, I'll do that.
Well, I'm gonna send you a message in the chat when you get the number, but this court date is gonna be at 5/11, May the 11th. All right, the same date.
May the 11th?
Yes, at 8:30.
Okay.
I sent you a chat. You can send the number in the chat, and once I get that, I'll let you go. I just need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, I need that file on this note. If you don't hear that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, so don't leave until I get that number, all right?
All right, I got you.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Christian Lee. Case number SP 172-6996, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 173-07141. SP 183-63531. SP 185-07151. SP 186-3166, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 187-5729, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 187-5739, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Christian Lee.
All right, good morning, sir. You're another individual that I keep seeing come across here missing court dates, sir.
Sorry, Your Honor. I had a few things coming up, and then my phone. I had lost my phone.
Listen. I'm not really much on excuses. Okay, you're a grown man. I'm not much on excuses. This is if your freedom is not that big, if it's not the first priority to you, I don't know what is.
It is, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Berry, I'll call SP 183-63421 into the record as well. Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information, Your Honor, and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I see 9 on the docket. 15 I counted into the record, Mr. Berry. You ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
21 to 25 miles an hour over. No insurance misdemeanor. Driving license suspended. No valid registration. And an expired plate. Mr. Lee, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, you join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
All right.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record. Yes.
I have 9 on the docket, and you've given me 5, which would make 14, and there's a 15th.
Well, let's just go with civil infractions. No valid registration, expired plate. I'll do improper display of plate and improper equipment. SP 1862860 counts 1 and counts 2. Oh, another improper equipment. That would be that. So now it's 17, and that other improper equipment will add to that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Garza. Ms. Garza, it's my understanding you want a bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, that'll be June the 2nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Well, thank you.
On the Motorola device, I just let in the room. Motorola, I just let in the room. Good morning to you. What is your name, please? You have to unmute yourself. And come in the view of the camera, please. What is your name?
Rashonda Gamble.
Rashonda Gamble?
Yes, sir.
All right, Miss Gamble, good morning to you. I think somebody's representing you. Who's your attorney?
I forgot his name, sir.
I think it's Mr. Ogletree, Your Honor.
All right. All right.
All right.
Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone. Okay,
Good
got it.
morning. On the iPhone, sir, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Tyler Green?
Tyler Green.
Yes.
And I think you're Mr. Ogletree's client as well.
That's mine, Your Honor.
Oh,
This is Attorney Taylor.
morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. Ms. Harris, I'm looking at Vincent Lorelli.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Are you David Lorelli or are you Vincent Lorelli? Are you Vincent?
I'm Vincent Lorelli, P47007 on behalf of David Lorelli.
Oh, that's what that is. Okay. All right. Good morning to you. And you have a civil infraction?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a civil infraction with Officer right now.
All right. Is the officer here, you know?
I have not seen him check in, and Your Honor, I've been on Zoom since 8:45.
He's here. And he checked in ahead of long before the cutoff. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Attorney Lorelli with City Attorney, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Gentry is someone's client as well.
Judge, I've got Shyla Godfrey ready, it looks like.
Okay.
And Candace Griffin, I'm going to prompt you to join a breakout room. Please accept the prompt. I will join you in there in just a few minutes. Please wait in there until I get there.
iPhone 132. Good morning to you, sir.
Hey, good morning, sir. Sorry, I called your courtroom. I was trying to check in for a second. I'm here. I'm Sergeant Easton. I'm here on L Gamble.
Okay. Good morning to you, Sergeant Easton.
Yes, sir. Do you know who the prosecutor here is? I'm en route to secondary right now, or I'm about to leave and go to secondary.
Yeah, she's Miss Horn, so I can sign you to breakout room 2. She's here.
Thank you, sir.
I mean 1. All right. Then have an iPhone or no? All right, so that Gentry is somebody's client. That's Ogletree as well. So Gentry, you have to wait on your attorney. We're down to really Catrice Griffin.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
This is the City of Detroit versus Catrice. 185-87021. Appearance for the record, please.
Patrice Griffin.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Griffin.
All right, Ms. Griffin, today is the date and time, and it is set for a show cause for the purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Griffin, it can't get any worse for you. It can only get better. It said you need an appointed attorney, but you're missing court dates now.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Remove your hood, Ms. Griffin.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
All right, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Mr. Taylor, Godfrey, are you ready on Godfrey?
Do I have a Godfrey? I didn't even know that, Your Honor. I have a.
Which one? Who are you on?
I have Michael Gervin and Tyler Green. GIR and Tyler Green.
I thought somebody else was here on Tyler Green.
You
I
said
thought
you
Mr.
thought it was
I thought
Ogletree. That's mine. Unless somebody else took it.
Well, Ogletree mentioned that he was here on Green, Gamble, Graves, and Gentry.
Tyler Green was given to. Now maybe they gave it to both of us. I don't know. And I have Michael Gervin, GIRV.
Why don't you speak to Ogletree about that?
Okay, is Mr. Gervin here?
Gervin, no.
Okay. All right, I'll call Aaron. No problem. I'll check back. Okay, no problem.
All right. Gentry, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Let's get Gentry in the breakout room with Mr. and wait on Mr. Ogletree. Good morning to you. I'll put you in breakout room 6.
Good morning. Thank you.
Gamble,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
gonna put you in the breakout room with breakout room 7. You wait on Mr. Ogletree.
Okay.
And 7, and then have Ogletree has. We'll see about. I don't know if Graves has made it in yet. Has it been at Graves yet? All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ghana, Mr. Counselor. For purposes of your client's presence.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kenneth Thompson on behalf of Mosa Ganem.
Okay, and for the purpose of your client's presence, are you asking the court to waive the presence of your client?
Yes, I am, Your Honor, and I do have authority to enter a plea on his behalf.
That representation, I'll waive the client's presence. Mr. What did work it out?
We did, Your Honor. We have reached a resolution after discussion with prosecutor whereby my client would be pleading responsible to blockading traffic, the original charge of red light would be dismissed.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. It's gonna be a $175 fine. I'll give your client till May 18th to pay it. If it's nothing further, Counselor, wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you very much, Your Honor. You too.
You're welcome. Traffic, it's gonna be 175. All right. Who's got the background on there? Who's got it on the Zoom on their background?
Thank you very much, Your Honor. You too.
That's David Lorelli. You need to turn your Zoom off, or turn the if you're watching on YouTube, you need to turn it off. Good morning to you. Let's go back. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Laws. Ms. Laws, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Laws wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution in this matter. I can tell you what the offer is. That's not a problem.
I don't understand what the purpose of accepting this offer is when you don't have. Do you have any money, ma'am?
I'm working right now, yes.
Pardon me?
I'm working right now, yes.
Why didn't you pay the reinstatement fee so you can attempt to get your license?
Because it's other cities that I have to go through as well to get my license.
You say what?
It's other cities that I have to go through as well to get my license.
All right. Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? The misdemeanor offenses.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Barry, Mr. Shiroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
And we're talking about a minor in possession, Mr. Shiroki?
Yes, Your Honor. With a delayed sentence, a 3-month delayed sentence.
And we're talking about a failure to display?
Yes, Your Honor.
And an improper plate, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. The remaining tickets will be dismissed. 5. It's 5 tickets to be dismissed.
All right, let me draw your attention back to October the 12th, 2022 at around 18 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of McNichols and Myers, Miss Laws. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And were you operating this, were you in a, let's see, did you have some alcohol in your possession?
Yes.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
I believe it was a wine bottle, if I'm not mistaken.
And was that your wine bottle?
Yes.
And how old were you at the time? Well, how old are you now?
18 or 19. I'm
18 or? Okay. Was this your 2014 Chevrolet?
Yes.
All right. And did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes.
You could not do either, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I didn't have it.
All right, very well. I'm going to find your client guilty as charged to the minor in possession of alcohol. I'm going to find your client guilty to the amended count of failure to display for not having the valid driver's license. And I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate for not having the valid insurance. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Laws, I'm gonna fine you, the $240 for the, minor in possession. I'm gonna cut you a break on the other stuff because, you have a lot of other money that you owe down here. I'm gonna take it under delayed sentence, 3 months. If you don't get any other trouble like this and you pay the 240, then we will, we'll dismiss the case, come back on August the 4th, 2026 at 8:25. If you don't have any further questions, Ms. Laws, I wish you the best of. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, City of Detroit. Where's Carlos Graves? This not this. Did you not get it?
I don't think so.
City of Detroit versus Carlos Kenneth Garrett. I'm sorry, Carlos Kenneth Garrett. Keith, I'm sorry. This is City of Detroit versus Carlos Keith Garrett. Case numbers SP. Who's got the noise in the background? SP 107 36. SP 107 36781. SP 107 99011. SP 8. Right, that SP 108 189 counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. SP 1602707 counts 1. SP 106 SP 160422221. SP 1871274 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 9473761, SP 9505541 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 9636251. U 655911010. And the state of Michigan versus Carlos Keith Garrett, case number SX 4288546. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Sroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Carlos Garrett.
Okay. I have not spoken to him yet, Your Honor. And I don't see an offer on his tickets either. Or he has one ticket, counts Keith. No, he has numerous tickets, not offers.
Mr. Soroki, give me a 1 second, please. Let's 183945741 into the record. 1851386 into the record. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $0 bond. $17 on the docket. $18 I called into the record.
Judge Perkins, call Mr. Riley. Administrative report to the. No, because it's 4-0, not 4. So that's 5-0.
Looks like a no insurance misdemeanor should have been added onto the docket.
3-6-0. 5-3-5.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Soroki, Mr. Garrett. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Originally told me it was 4. Okay. All right. So just Zoom. Okay. Okay. All right. Bye.
When you see the prompt, you join the room and you let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Your Honor, can I be made a co-host in?
Let's pass the matter.
Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Taylor is saying that he's got Gentry, I think.
That's fine. He can do it.
Where is he?
Also see Green, that his name's next to Green as well.
Well, he's not here. No, Green. He's saying he's got Green. He's saying he's got Green, but he's not here.
Green and Gentry?
No, just Green, he mentioned. I don't know if he's gonna let you take care of it or not, because he's not here now. So you take care of it. Don't worry about it.
No, I'll stand in for him.
Well, whatever. You said you had it, so I don't care who gets it. Let's just get him in a breakout room and you can discuss it with him then.
All right, thank you.
Let's pass Garrett's matter. Let's go back on the record with Griffin. Ms. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? Oh, dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't know why they didn't dismiss the other one. Same thing. All right, case dismissed, Ms. Griffin. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
You too, thank you.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus David Lorelli. Mr. David Ralph Lorelli, case number SB 189-63031. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Vincent Lorelli, P47007, on behalf of the defendant. Today was the time and date set for the formal hearing on this matter. I did discuss the matter with the city attorney, and it was agreed that the matter would be dismissed.
Mr. David Lorelli, state your name for the record, please.
He's not here, Your Honor. I can have him come in on the Zoom.
No, not necessary. He was here. I'll dismiss the case per city attorney. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you both. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Lige.
Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
versus Larry Lige. Case number SP 11961601, SP 14010921. Mr. Lige, you gotta be quiet, please.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Camera
sir.
on, please. SP 148411.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you have to calm the background noise. Put some clothes on. I'm passing the matter. I'm sick of this. You're a grown man.
Your Honor, I was late. I was rushed. I just woke up and I said, damn, I got caught.
Yeah, I know you're a grown man.
Okay, hold on, sir. Hold on, Your Honor. Your Honor.
Big hand is 50. Also, I hear shit from press.
Leverett.
Good morning, Judge. How you doing?
Good morning. How can we help you?
I was just trying to request an extension to pay. I know it was due by today.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Douglas Ray Green, case numbers SP 179474431, SP 1120283, count 2 in the state of Michigan versus Douglas Ray Green, case number SX 460498082. Mr. Green, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Douglas Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. You were allowed to order to do community service, and I don't think I checked on it and I didn't see you do anything.
I have the paper right here. I've been there every week.
Okay, all right. Well, we need to get that to Ms. Shelton.
Okay,
and they said they haven't gotten anything.
Here it is. Here it is right here, Your Honor.
All right, I'm not saying that you don't have it. Let's get it to Ms. Shelton so she can review.
Okay. I'll get it to her. It's not complete though because the way that they have it set up with the program she put me in, it's only available on Sundays and Wednesdays, and it's 8 hours on Sundays and 2 hours on Wednesdays. So I just been going and just doing what I can. But I haven't missed a day since.
All right. Well, when are you gonna finish?
Right now I have 64 hours, so 2 more weeks.
All right, well, just come back in 2 weeks. Come back on May the 18th.
I got a question for you.
What's that?
So last time we were here, you told me you were gonna take off some stuff so I can go and get my license and come back with a valid license. So I went to Secretary of State and then they made me aware that, okay, all your tickets are clear, but now I have a restriction on my license until next March.
Yeah, that's between you and the Secretary of State now. That's because you continue to get these tickets that are abstract and these speeding tickets and stuff.
Yeah, I was at one point in time while I was going to community service, I was getting tickets while my car was parked because my tags were expired.
That has nothing to do with that. That has nothing to do with that. If the tickets that abstract, at least you got 2 limited access and 1 speeding here. I don't without having seen your driving record that, but what it tells me is what we did worked because they would have put that no insurance proof and told you that was the problem as well. But when you get tickets, when you're not supposed to be driving and you're getting tickets that abstract to the Secretary of State, that's why people need to come to court and make sure that they know what they're taking deals on, because once you get that abstractable ticket, then it's gonna suspend your license for another year.
Okay.
So that's your problem. Now, that has nothing to do with the driving on cell phone may have been a problem if that abstracted to the Secretary of State, but these other things here, none of these other things abstracted to the Secretary of State. And I don't know if driver on cell phone abstracts or not. Come back May 18th, 2026 at 8:25. Make sure Miss Shelton gets that information so we can get you in and out, all right?
Okay, I'm gonna contact her when we get off of here.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Whitfield, I'm trying to substantiate your community service as well. I was waiting on Miss, I haven't forgot about you. I'm waiting on Mr. Phillips to contact me back.
Yeah, I had talked to my pastor, and my pastor said he still didn't receive any calls or anything. I gave him the office number, and I gave him his personal cell phone, Mr. Phillips' personal cell phone, but I haven't heard anything back from my pastor said no one has contacted him.
All right, let's still wait on him. He should get back with me shortly. All right,
okay.
Let's go back on the record. I don't know why those attorneys are in your breakout room. Mr. Soroki is supposed to be in breakout room 5. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lee?
Yes, Your Honor. I got a question. I had paid.
I'm not going to talk to you without you having your camera on.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Your Honor, about that.
Sorry. All right, go ahead.
A few tickets that's on there I had paid. I got the receipt for them. And then they wrote me a ticket driving while suspended while my license was actually valid.
That's what the trial's all about, sir. I don't know. If you have some tickets that they didn't give you credit for, then you're going to have to go downstairs to the cashier. There's nothing I can do about that. If you have the receipt, then that's a thing, because you can let them know that you paid that. But as far as them writing a ticket while your license was valid, you say that, I'm sure they're going to say different, and then we'll figure it out on the date of trial.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lee, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Okay, you too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Let's go back on, wait a minute. So Mr. Soroki, you have breakout room 5. You're not supposed to be in breakout room 2 at all.
I was waiting for the prosecutor to come talk to me. She's in with the police officers.
That's 4.
Right. Okay, it's 4. All right, I'll go to 4.
All right, Mr. Taylor, you're not supposed to be in breakout room 2. Are you representing, who are you representing?
I have Tyler Green and Michael Gervin, and I couldn't catch up with Mr. Ogletree.
Ogletree said you can have, he's here now.
Okay, but yeah, I was given those 2 cases, Your Honor.
All right, City of Detroit versus Tyler Terrell Green, case number SP 186-4283, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Edward Taylor appearing on behalf of Mr. Green. Mr. Green, you introduce yourself, please.
Tyler Green, is he in the room?
Yes, I'm here. How you doing?
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Name
How you
for the
doing?
record, please.
I'm Tyler Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Here, the Officer Cruz did appear. I don't see him in the room now, but today is the date and time set for trial. And if Ms. Horn has, Officer Cruz, are you in the room? All right, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 8, Mr. Green. Mr.
Okay.
Taylor is gonna come see you after he talks to the city attorney, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right. Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Mr. Lige, are you ready for court?
Your Honor, did Mr. Gervin ever check in?
I haven't seen him yet.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Counselor Dupree, are you ready on your client? Are anybody ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Oh, let's call the city of Detroit. What about Leverett? Leverett. Let me get that. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Teron Leverett Jr. Case number SP 174-69971. Mr. Leverett, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, Teron Leverett.
All right, today is the date and time, and it's set for you indicated, Mr. Lige, you have to cut the background noise out. All right, today is the date and time set for review. You indicated that you need more time. How much time do you need, sir?
Just 2 weeks, Your Honor.
All right, come back on May the 18th, 2026 at 8:25. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
City of Detroit versus Larry Lige. Case number SP 119-61601, SP 1401091, SP 148411181, SP 1699325, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1742789, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Larry Lige Jr.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Is Corporal Bennett here? Burley, Rule, Knapp, Sergeant. Officer Burley, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please, for the record? Name, badge number, department, please.
Officer Burley, badge 454, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Then we have Sergeant Knapp is here. Chanel everybody has appeared. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial. Join the room when you see the prompt. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Who has Godfrey? Gosh. Who has Graves? Who's ready? Ogletree has Graves. Ms. Graves, good morning to you. I'm going to put you in a breakout. No PO. Yeah, we do. We have Turner appeared. The other ones have not. Gentry, I don't think a Palmer has appeared. All right, I'm waiting on attorneys now.
I'm ready, Your Honor. And Carlos Garrett.
Who is that?
I'm ready on Carlos Garrett, Your Honor.
All right, very well. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garrett. Mr. Garrett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Garrett requested a bench trial in this matter and all matters.
All right, that's what you want to do?
Yes.
Come back on June the 2nd, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. Garrett. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a great rest of your day, all right?
Thank you.
Mr. Garrett, you need to write that down. You will not get a reminder. June 22nd at 9
June
a.m.
2nd, June 2nd.
June 2nd, I'm sorry, June 2nd at 9 a.m. Write that down, sir, by Zoom.
Okay.
Okay? Have a good day.
You too. Yeah, but that day is not going. I'm not going to play that game.
Who has Godfrey? Somebody said they had Godfrey.
Sure, what is
Godfrey.
I just spoke with minutes ago.
Who was
Can you
your
hear me?
good morning? Who was your attorney?
Matthew. I don't remember his last
Matthew
name, but I was
Dupree.
just in contact with him.
Yeah, he's here. All right. Good morning to you.
Okay. Good morning to you,
Graves.
Judge. How are you?
Well, Graves has Ogletree, Gentry, Gamble. What about Michael Long?
I thought we did Michael Long.
Did we? What did Michael Long want to do? Oh, we need to point at him. Did he ever leave his number? Yes, he did. Thank you, Mr. Barry. All right, that's gone. All right, Gentry, we can get out of here.
I was just talking to my attorney. I don't know where he went to.
Yeah, he's in the breakout room, but your officer never showed on Gentry. I'll wait on Ogletree to come out. And Graves, there is a PO for Graves for at least one of the cases. Oops. Now, Ms. Whitfield, you indicated to me that you did some community service with your pastor. Was that approved by Mr. Phillips?
Yes. So Mr. Phillips, when I had talked to Mr. Phillips, he had told me that if I can get some community service hours before my court date from my pastor, and he can call him, like he need a phone number and everything else to confirm it. He said that I could reach out to my church, and because I had told him that I was behind on the community service hours because I had just had a newborn and everything. He said if I could at least get 6 hours during this 3-day, 4-day period, that he'll see if I get extension. But I went to my church and did a community service hours. I did my 12 hours, and my pastor, I filled out the information, and Mr. Phillips told me to either send it to him or email it.
All right, congratulations on your newborn, ma'am. Let me try to get Mr. Phillips on the line.
Okay.
Good morning. I have Miss Tamia Whitfield. She indicates yes. Yeah. Can you talk to her and substantiate these hours? She has her pastor's number. Can she call you now? Are you All right, let me have her call you, substantiate that for me so we can get her on her way. Call Mr. Phillips now. You have the number there?
Oh yeah, I have his number.
Call him now, Ms. Whitfield, and then he'll work it out, and then come on back on when you're done speaking with them, okay?
Okay.
All right. Are we ready on anybody?
Judge, I'm ready on Shyla Godfrey and Candace Griffin.
This is the city of Detroit versus Shyla. This is the city of Detroit versus Shyla Godfrey. Case number SP 1867825, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PA 0132, attorney for the defendant. Ms. Godfrey, would you state your name, please?
Shyla Godfrey.
Judge, we're just looking
All
to
right.
set this matter for a Zoom bench trial.
Very good. All right, June the 2nd, trial, June the 2nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. Okay, Ms. Godfrey?
Yes.
Judge, I
You
do
said 9 a.m.?
Yeah.
Judge, I do apologize. I'm booked to be out of town on the 2nd. Is there any chance it could be the 5th, that Friday?
June the 5th. June the 5th at 9 a.m., Ms. Godfrey. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you at 9 a.m., okay? June the 5th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Candace Griffin. Is that Candace Denise Griffin?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. This is the city of Detroit versus Candace Denise Griffin, case number SP 1875543, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 186802221. State of Michigan versus Candace Denise Griffin, case number SX 4648416. SX 4648414, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PA 0132 for the defendant. Ms. Griffin, your name, please.
Candace Denise Griffin.
All right, Ms.
Judge.
Griffin. Yes.
Sorry, Your Honor, I didn't mean to cut you off. We are asking for an adjournment of this matter. We are applying for Ms. Griffin to be admitted to the Street Democracy Program. We were asked by the managing attorney of the Street Democracy Program to request an adjournment to July 28th in order to permit application, processing, and admission.
All right, is that what you want, Ms. Griffin?
Yes, sir.
July the 28th, 8:30 is the next court date. Ms. Griffin, I always say this, I know the times are not, the light may not be shining as bright as you'd like it, but definitely the light is shining at the end of the tunnel. I hope that it gets brighter for you. I believe in the Street Democracy Court. I've seen it work, and I hope it works for you. I'll leave you with the words from Dr. Martin Luther King, ma'am, and he indicates that the true test of a man is not where they stand in the moments of comfort and convenience, but where they stand in the times of challenges and controversy. And I do understand that this might be one of the most challenging times of your life. With the help of Mr. Dupree and the street court and a lot of diligence and perseverance, I guarantee that light will shine brighter. I just can't tell you when, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, July 28th, 2026 at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck, and we'll be praying for you, Ms. Griffin.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
And thank you to my attorney.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
So excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
I've been trying to get in contact with him, and it keeps saying his voicemail is full, and I've been trying to contact the Southwest office, and no one is like answering.
879-2155.
Yes, that's the number I've been calling.
I just talked to him, so he said he's there, so just keep trying, please.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead. Who's next? Mr. Ogletree, are you ready on anyone?
Yeah, I'm ready on all my cases.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Kenneth Gentry, case number SP 185-6511, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, on behalf of Mr. Kenneth Gentry. Mr. Gentry, can you please say your full name?
Kenneth Gentry Jr.
Mr. Gentry, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I have not seen Officer Palmer.
Yeah, I spoke to the prosecution. They said that they haven't heard from him either. Respectfully requesting a dismissal.
Grant the motion to dismiss. Mr. Gentry, something further. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay? Who else, Mr.
Can we call Ms. Graves? But she's at work on break.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus Zalesia. Give me the correct pronunciation, ma'am.
Zalesia.
Zalesia, I'm sorry. This is City of Detroit versus Zalesia Graves, case number SP 186-3165, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1-899-3131, SP 1-899-344, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 188, strike that, SP 885-098, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, on behalf of Ms. Graves, P number 69167.
Ms. Graves, state your name, please.
Zalesia Graves.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I have Officer Turner did appear. And then she has 3 other cases that are new. 16 to 20 over, no insurance misdemeanor, drove while license suspended.
Yeah, respectfully requesting a dismissal. I mean, I did speak to the prosecution. She said that she didn't know any officer appeared.
I know, but I'm telling you, Officer Turner did appear.
Okay, well, I can try to, if we can try to recall the case briefly.
I'll grant the motion to dismiss on the officers, on the no officers appeared. That's Officer Hassan, did not appear. I'll grant that motion. SP 186-3165, counts 1, 2, and 3. And then on the other 3, well, the other 3 Officer Turner's cases are, there might be, I don't know, years and years old. I don't know. Speak to the city and let the city know that Officer Turner did appear. And then on the, all right. Let's pass it. Then the 16 to 20, no insurance misdemeanor and drive while license suspended. See if you can get some resolution on that, or you can just set another trial date for that. That's up to Ms. Graves.
Ms. Graves, do you need to get back to work quickly, or can we get another court date?
We could do another court date.
Okay. Can we just get another court date, Your Honor?
I will reset the trial dates for all those other tickets for June the 2nd.
Thank you.
Trial June the 2nd, 2026 at 9 a.m. All right. Best of luck to you, Ms. Graves. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I'm ready on Ms. Gamble as well.
City of Detroit versus LaShonda Nicole Gamble. Case numbers SP 155-9219, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 161-24391. SP 174-18681. Let's see. SP 1800394. SP 1800394. SP 1800467, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Hearing no on behalf of Ms. Gamble, P number 69167. Ms. Gamble, can you state your name?
LaShonda Gamble.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Corporal Vasion checked in, Sergeant Easton checked in, Officer Johnson checked in. All the officers appeared. Did you get an offer, Mr.?
Yes, there's a resolution. So she's gonna plead to, there's gonna be reductions to 2 counts of improper plate and then the expired plate as charged. So ticket ending in 391, which is unregistered, untitled vehicles being reduced to improper plate. Ticket ending in 681 is being reduced from no insurance misdemeanor to improper plate. And then
Wait a minute, 391, that's an open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger. They're reducing that to improper plate?
Oh, no, sorry, it's my mistake. It's 191. My mistake.
Okay.
And then the expired plate ticket ending in 671 as charged. That's the expired plate. And then the balance being dismissed. So she have 9 charges, 6 being dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to March the 5th, 2024 at around 1:37 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Schaefer and Grand River. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And did the officer ask you, was that your car, the 2015 Chevrolet?
Yes, sir.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid registration and insurance?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do either, could you, ma'am?
No, it was expired.
Very well. I'll find your client guilty as to the amended count. You said 2 counts of improper plate?
Yes.
I'll
So
find
2
your
counts of
client.
improper plate and 1 expired plate.
I'll find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate for not having the registration and amended count of improper plate for not having the valid insurance. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf, counselor.
Yes.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes.
All right. All right, as for fine. I'll cut you a break. I'm only gonna fine her for one, $240. She owes some other civil infractions. 240, ma'am. When can you pay it?
Sir, because I just helped bury my brother and my funds are like,
Just buried your brother, ma'am?
yes, sir.
All right, my condolences go out to you and your family, ma'am. We will definitely be praying for you on that. All right. I'm gonna mark the file allow payment plan. I'm gonna give you until June the 4th to either pay it off or get into a payment plan. If you get into a payment plan, come on down to the court on or before June 4th to take care of that, or pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Again, we'll be praying for you for the loss of your brother. And if you don't have anything further, come back on June the 4th. Let us know what you've done. Okay, ma'am?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Corporal Vasion, good morning to you. You're free to leave. Be safe. Officer Johnson, you're free to leave. Be safe. And Sergeant Eason, you're free to leave. Be safe.
Yeah, Officer Johnson is still in the breakout room.
Yeah, he's not responding to the. All right, Corporal Vasion, good to see you. All right. Anybody else, Mr.
I think that's it. Mr. Taylor's doing grain.
Very well. All right.
I'm free to leave.
You're free to leave now.
All right, thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day.
All right, you as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning to you.
How you doing,
sir? How's it going?
I had a couple of my clients sent me it was on YouTube. And it was a gentleman that was laying in the bed on court. You got into him and everything. It was like, man, I want to see the judge. Don't worry about that. Just come in correct. Just don't be laying in the bed and etc. Put some clothes on. So we had a little discussion and everything, but I just wanted to stop by and say hello to you.
All right, thank you. Now, is he coming back in? You calm him down?
No, he's good. He paid his fine and cost this morning. He's good.
All right. What's his name?
No, he's good.
Yeah, you gotta give me his name now. You can't come in here. This ain't your show. What's his name? What's his name?
Mr. Smith, I'll say that. No, he saw your clip. And he called me late, come about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Mad, like, man, I'm about to pay this. I don't want to.
He was in here, Smith, the last week or something.
I ain't gonna tell you, man.
Listen, it doesn't work like that. You come in here for me.
Wait,
you won't get no favors out of here no more if you can't come in here correct now. Don't be trying to protect these.
What happened? He saw the clip, and he was like, "Man, I don't know."
What is his name?
I can't figure out.
All right, don't let him back in, Officer Wilson.
Well, the other gentleman that was in your court, he took care of his stuff in Missouri, got cleaned up. He got a job. He's been working there for the last 2 weeks now. He's actually doing quite well. Looking at
well, you like I say, that's it. That's it.
Mr. Smith first name.
Yeah, I mean, you're trying to protect these people that come in here. I get that. If it's over, it's over. I'm over it. I've been over it. But you know what I'm saying? You can't come in here and I ask you who the person is, and you're trying to. I'm trying to help you help them.
It wasn't directly coming to your court. He just want to make sure. He was like, man, I'm scared. I don't want to be in front of him. That's not the point.
Well, I had a Smith the other day. We had a Smith the other day.
Like I said, Your Honor, he wasn't coming to you.
All right. All right.
It's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Take care. Take care, guys. Also,
How are you?
Oh, good morning.
Do you have anyone else, Mr. Soroki?
No, Your Honor, not yet. Soon as
I
you
think we're
sign
waiting
this,
on Miss Horn. Gamble can come out, Ochoa can come out. We're just, the other officers are here on live. And then we have Taylor. Can we get Miss Miss Horn in here, please? Officer Ochoa, Dominique Reed never appeared, so we're gonna tell you to appear bench warrant. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day. Sergeant Knapp, Larry Lige is waiting, so we have Mr. Larry Lige. Gervin never appeared anyway, but one of the officers said, somebody said they were on Gervin. They lost it. Miss Whitfield, have you contacted Mr. Phillips?
Yes, he said he called you to confirm that my community service hours were met.
He called me?
Yeah. And I told him I was going to join back in the Zoom call.
Good morning. Did you confirm those hours for Whitfield?
He called and he said that she did complete.
Okay, very well. Thank you, Mr. Phillips. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Tamia Whitfield, case number SB 160463331. Ms. Whitfield, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Tamia Whitfield.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. We have confirmed that you did the community service hours. We appreciate that, ma'am. I'm sure the people over at your church appreciate that as well. I don't know if I'm too keen on allowing people to do community service hours at their own church, but because you were probably going to be doing something there anyway. But
yeah,
you did the hours. I trust the pastor, and I trust that you did provide some service over there. I'm going to dismiss the case, ma'am, for completing community service. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
thank you. Yep, you as well.
Thank you.
Let me make a more.
I already did.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Man, I got it.
Ms. Horn, they're waiting on you and 4 if we can get done. There's only 2 more left as of now.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I just ran into Mr.
She said, Mr. Who? Those are all reviews.
Okay.
We have a Smith on the docket today.
Sometimes I think it's, I don't have to look at it, but sometimes I think it comes from people, be able to come to court on Wednesdays, and when they walk to the counter, they just give them a name.
Oh,
They don't know, put them on Wednesdays.
right. So how's your grass though?
It's looking really green, and the dandelions are looking a little wilted, like they don't have no life, they just laying in the grass.
Your Honor, can I speak to my client, please? Mr.
I got my roof. I got a new roof.
You got a new roof?
Yeah.
They put it on already? It'd only take a day.
It took a couple of days because the check got lost. It was a bunch of time with the check.
He's straight. You got a roof over your head now, huh?
No leaks.
You know, it better not be no leaks.
Well, hopefully it is. In the inside too, so that's good. Putting back. Yeah. It's only one.
I got a buddy. I don't know if he works for Anderson. I don't know if he'll come do the sign job for you, but he hooked me up. Oh, I got 27 windows put in my other homes.
Windows are killing.
Yeah,
I only got 8 windows.
they make a big difference too. But the thing about it is,
I got like 2 pictures. I got 3 pictures.
what I
The thing don't need to.
Hold on. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lige. Mr. Lige, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation. That would be 2 counts of improper plates and 1 amended count of allowing. 2 amended counts, improper plates, 1 count allowing.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lige?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I will also state that Mr. Lige would ask the court to consider granting community service in lieu of fines and costs. He did have an appointment scheduled with the Secretary of State. He just missed his appointment.
I'm sure he did. He wakes up late for court. He comes in not dressed properly, and he misses his appointment at whatchamacallit.
Well, it was for financial reasons that he missed the appointment, Your Honor.
It's, well, financial. All right. Raise your right hand, sir. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days, and the misdemeanor offense, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Questions about those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
What kind of questions do you have about the rights?
None, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right. You said 2 improper plates?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the balance dismissed?
No, Your Honor. 2 improper plates, 1 allowing, and then the balance dismissed.
2 improper plates, 1 allowing. All right, let me draw your attention, Mr. Lies, back to June the 13th, 2025, around 4:46 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Greenfield and Chicago. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this your 2015 Chevy you were driving?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and the officer asked you to produce valid registration
Yes,
and
Your Honor.
a license?
Yes, Your Honor.
Couldn't do either, could you?
No, Your Honor.
Why is that?
My license, my car had got worked on when the rear end was out, and I took my they had took my license plate off because I had a lot of people over here, and I had working on the cars, and when
Let's do the short story, because you didn't
I
have
just didn't have no license plate. My license plate was missing. I had license plates, but my license was expired, and instead of putting fake license on, I just drove without it. I drove without it.
That's actually a better move, I would say. All right.
Yes.
Find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate and for not having the valid registration, and amended count of allowing for not having the driver's license on for your person. Let me draw your attention back to March the 23rd, 2025, around 12:30 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Greenfield and Wadsworth. You have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Were you operating that same Chevrolet?
Yes, Your Honor.
That rear end was working fine then, wasn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the officer asked you to produce a valid registration at that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yep. Couldn't, so could you? You couldn't produce the registration, could you, Mr. Lies?
No, I couldn't.
And why is that?
I didn't have no money to go get my insurance, Your Honor, to get a new plate.
Find your client guilty as to the amended count of improper plate for not having the valid registration. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
You want to do community service to clear everything up, Mr. Lies?
Yes, Your Honor.
Give me 80 hours of community service, Mr. Lies. We'll clear everything up.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
You come back. I need a good phone number from you.
We'll place it in the chat. He gave it to me. I'll put it in the chat.
All right. What I'll do for you is you come back after your first 24 hours, and come back after you complete your first 24 hours, and I'll get rid of these no insurance proofs. That way you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid driver's license, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
So as soon as you complete the 24 hours, how long will it take you to do that?
Soon you register me or give me the place to go, Your Honor. I'm ready. We can start today.
All right. I don't know if she'll get to you today, but she should get to you this week. I want you to take the number down to Miss Shelton in community service.
Yes, Your Honor. Hold on 1 second. Go ahead, Your Honor.
313-965-8130. You shouldn't have to call them, Mr. Lies. They should call you. But if you don't hear from her before the week is out, then give them a call, and you know how to get back in contact with the court. We'll do that. Why don't we set 2 weeks out? May 18th is your next court date. That's just for the 24 hours, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Get the hours done sooner than that, then I'll allow you to come back in as soon as you get those 24 hours done. But make sure you get with Miss Shelton and you have substantiated through her, all right?
Yes,
and then
sir.
we'll get rid of those no insurance proofs, see if we can get you back on the road
Yes, Your Honor.
legally.
I appreciate you.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lodge, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Same to you.
You're welcome. All right, what are we doing with Mr. Green? Are we ready on Green?
Yes, sir.
Let's go back on the record with let's call the City of Detroit versus Tyler Terrell Green, case number SP 186-4283, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Green. Mr. Green, would you introduce yourself, please?
He's still in the room.
Oh, okay. What room is he in?
I'm trying to bring him out now. What's going to happen with this?
He's gonna the insurance is going to be dismissed, and the failure to stop sign is going to be 1 to 5 over. Be reduced to 1 to 5 over.
Is that limited access or regular 1 to 5?
Regular 1 to 5 is 1 point, Your Honor.
All right. You have to go get him out of the breakout room.
Okay, which one is he in?
8.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Tyler Green.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Do you understand? Am I understanding you're pleading to 1 to 5 over is $125, and there's going to be 1 point on your license amended from the failure to stop. You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes. Well, quick question. Will my license be suspended or anything?
Well, you're going to have the 1 point, so the insurance is going to go up, I'm pretty sure.
Okay. Understandable.
Unless you got 12 points, that 1 point should suspend your license, Mr. Green.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. That's I just want to,
Yes.
That's what I do for work. So.
Okay, I got you.
Yes. Take a class, I'm sure. If depending on what your license says, I would look out in the mail. Make sure your mail is updated with the Secretary of State. Your address is updated with Secretary of State. Typically, if you have a good driving record, anything under 3 points, they'll allow you to take a class to get that 1 point, those points off of there. So hopefully you qualify, but that's going to be between you and the Secretary of State. All right.
Okay. Thank you. I do appreciate that, sir.
To the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
State the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, Mr. Green?
If I can at least get 2 weeks, if that.
All right, pay it by May 18th, 2026. Pay any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, sir, and best of luck to you.
All right,
thank you. I appreciate you both. Thank you both.
And that is where we will stop for today, ladies and gentlemen. This is a reminder that there will not be a live stream tomorrow. I have a doctor's appointment, but there will be one on Tuesday afternoon. And the live scanner feed will be up tomorrow evening. So that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Ta-ta and ciao, ciao. And have a wonderful, wonderful evening.